The commentator says, Argentina are in the ascendancy now, but Brazil are sitting back, waiting to hit on the counter.
You understood 3 words. Ascendancy, sitting back, hit on the counter. It feels like a different language.
Today, cracking the code of football commentary. B2 level. Every major phrase explained.
Welcome back to Learn English. I'm William, with Sarah.
Football commentary is a sublanguage. Commentators use phrases that don't appear anywhere else in English.
If you understand commentary, you watch the match differently. You hear what's actually happening tactically.
B2 level, upper intermediate. Let's decode the most common commentary expressions.
Start with momentum phrases. Mexico are in the ascendancy. Means they're dominating right now.
Or, Brazil are on top. Same meaning, simpler.
Opposite. Argentina are under the cosh. British phrase meaning under heavy pressure.
Or, they're hanging on for dear life. Defensive, struggling to survive.
When a team is playing defensively, they've parked the bus. Old phrase, bus blocking the goal.
When they wait then attack quickly, they're hitting on the counter or counter-attacking.
Counterattacks are deadly. Fast transitions from defense to attack. Commentators love them.
When a team passes the ball around without attacking, they're keeping possession or they're playing keep ball.
When attacking pressure is constant, they're throwing everything at it. Or all-out attack.
If a goalkeeper is doing well, he's in inspired form. Or, he's standing on his head, meaning incredible saves.
If a striker is in great form, he's on fire. Or he's looking sharp.
Now phrases for individual moments.
Momentum vocabulary. In the ascendancy or on top, dominating. Under the cosh, under pressure.
Defensive shapes. Parked the bus, very defensive. Hitting on the counter, fast counter-attacking.
Quality descriptions. He's on fire inspired form, playing brilliantly. Standing on his head, incredible saves.
Notice, commentators use metaphors constantly. Buses, cosh, ascendancy.
It sounds poetic. It is poetic. Football English has its own style.
Specific moments. When a player runs at the defender, he's running at them or taking them on.
When a pass is perfect, he's threaded the needle. Through a tight gap.
Or, what a defense-splitting pass. Pass that breaks through the defensive line.
Long passes. He launched it forward or long ball.
When a shot goes far over the crossbar, he sent that into Rosie, way over the top.
Or sliced wide. He's pulled it wide. Or he's sliced it.
When the ball just goes past the goal, inches wide. Or, off the post and out.
If it hits the crossbar, he's rattled the woodwork. The frame of the goal.
When a player is brought down illegally, he's been hacked down. Or simply, that's a foul.
When a referee waves play on, play continues. Referee says no sometimes, wave it away.
When a player goes down too easily, he's gone down theatrically. Or, looking for the penalty. Or, diving.
When a player gets a card, yellow for that one. Or for serious, he's seeing red, meaning red card.
Time language, 2 minutes of added time. Or, they're 4 minutes into stoppage time.
End of the half, the whistle has gone or halftime. End of match, and that's the final whistle.
When the result was a surprise, a massive upset, or a stunning result.
When the team played excellently, they've put in a dominant performance. Or a masterclass.
When a team played poorly, a disastrous performance. They were dismantled. A masterclass against them.
Listen for these phrases in any match. Suddenly the commentary becomes clear.
Quality moments. Threading the needle. Perfect pass. Defense splitting. Breaks the line. Sent into Rosie, way over.
Goal frame. Rattled the woodwork. Hit post to crossbar. Off the post and out. Lucky bounce.
Cards. Yellow for that one. He's seeing red. Final whistle. End of match.
Results. Upset. Surprise. Dominant performance or masterclass. Excellence. Dismantled. Thoroughly beaten.
Time. Stoppage time / added time / injury time. Minutes added at the end. All same thing.
Practice these. Repeat clearly.
Mexico are in the ascendancy. Mexico are in the ascendancy now.
Argentina are hitting on the counter. They're hitting on the counter.
He's threaded the needle. What a pass. Threaded the needle.
Rattled the woodwork. He's rattled the woodwork twice.
He's seeing red. He's seeing red straight off.
Quiz. Translate the commentary.
France have parked the bus in the second half. What does it mean?
France are playing very defensively, protecting their lead.
Bellingham threads the needle to find Saka. What just happened?
Bellingham made a perfect pass through tight defenders to Saka.
Brazil are dismantling Argentina in a masterclass.
Brazil are completely outplaying Argentina, playing with excellence.
Football commentary is its own language. Now you have the vocabulary key.
Watch one match this week with English commentary. You'll catch dozens of these phrases.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. Enjoy the World Cup.